The Climate Change Performance Index 2024, India ranks 7th. In a significant stride towards sustainable practices, India has ascended to the 7th position amongst a total of 67 countries in this year's Climate Change Performance Index (CCPI). About Climate Change Performance Index. The Climate Change Performance Index, published annually since 2005, is an independent monitoring tool for tracking countries' climate protection performance. It is published by Germanwatch, the New Climate Institute, and Climate Action Network International. The CCPI evaluates countries across four key categories: greenhouse gas emissions 40%, renewable energy 20%, energy use 20%, and climate policy 20%. The CCPI indicates the climate mitigation effort of 63 countries and the EU, which collectively account for over 90% of the GHG emissions in the world. Findings of CCPI 2024. No country was strong enough in all categories to achieve an overall very high rating. Therefore, the top three places continue to remain vacant. With a score of 75.59%, Denmark remains the top ranked country but does not perform well enough to earn an overall very high rating. Estonia and Philippines occupy the 5th and 6th ranks respectively with scores of 72.07 and 70.70 respectively. Saudi Arabia was at the bottom, 67th in the performance list. With India 7th, Germany 14th, and EU 16th, only three G20 countries or regions are among the high performers in CCPI 2024. However, the G20 countries account for more than 75% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. India's ranking in the CCPI 2024. India secured the 7th position in the CCPI 2024. It ranked 9th in the GHG emissions and 10th in energy use. Also, in the per capita GHG category, the country is on track to meet a benchmark of well below 2 degrees Celsius. India has secured the 10th spot in climate policy. In the renewable energy category, India's performance showed a more moderate rank, standing at 37th, barely remaining within the high performance category. Initiatives for climate change mitigation in India. The National Action Plan on Climate Change encompasses National Solar Mission, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, National Water Mission, National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem, National Mission for a Green India, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change, the Punch Myth Goals, National Adaptation Fund on Climate Change (NAFCC), and the State Action Plan on Climate Change.